Hello, boys and girls. Guess what time it is? It's Eureka time. Today is November 10th, 2020, and our goal is to get a 90% or higher on our end of module. Today we're going to be going over lesson 14, and our objective, says I can model subtraction of 9 from teen numbers. We're going to continue subtracting 9 from teen numbers, just like in the previous lessons. Our key points. What do we need to know? Well, we need to know what subtraction is, right? Which is a minus. And this is the symbol for subtraction. We also need to know what our leftover parts are. When Ms. Gomez and Ms. Hernandez say, add your leftover parts, that means parts that you have left. And then also what a number bond is, which looks like this. And we've been practicing with number bonds a lot ever since we started with Module 1. And we also need to know what a number sentence is. A number sentence is, for example, 8 minus 3 equals 5. It has two parts, which are 3 and 5, and our whole number, which is 8. And this is a subtraction number sentence. And we also need to know what our teen numbers are. And remember that our teen numbers is any number with 1, 10, and some ones. So it has a 1 in the front, and it's any number between 11 and 19. How are we going to be successful today? Well, step 1, we're going to draw the whole number the 5 group way, and then we're going to circle 10. Which we kind of did yesterday. And then step 2, we're going to decompose the teen number to match our drawing. And then 3, we're going to identify the part being taken away. And then we're going to cross off from our 10 ones. And then finally, we're just going to add our leftover parts to find our solution. Ready? Make sure that at this moment you have your whiteboard ready or a blank piece of paper to go ahead and practice your problems. You can press pause at the video and press play when you're ready. First problem. First, we're listening. Your marker or your pencil's parked. Ms. Gomez is going to start reading. Let me get my pen. And it says, Cheyenne has 12 eggs. How many eggs? Get ready. Yes, 12. He uses 9 of them to make breakfast for his family. So how many eggs did he use? Get ready. Yes, 9 eggs. So now they want to know how many eggs are left. Well, let's work this one out together. Grab your marker or your pencil and let's work it out together using our key points. Step 1. It says that we have to go ahead and draw our whole number the 5 group way. So let's go ahead and draw. What is our whole number? Let's go back to the problem. Cheyenne has 12 eggs. Is 12 our whole number or a part? Get ready. Yes, it's our whole number. Why? So let's go ahead and make our number bond. Everybody make your number bond. And 12 is our whole number because that's how many eggs we have at the beginning of the story. We also need, so let's go ahead and write our parts. Let's go ahead and draw it out. Ready? We're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we draw 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure your drawings are way neater than Ms. Gomez's and that they're in the 5 group way. And then let's continue drawing 1, 2. Now, and you can go ahead and fill these in as the dark circles to show that this is your other part if you want. Now, step 2 says that we must key point number 1 says that we still need to circle 10. So let's go ahead and put a box around our first 10. Now we can move to key point number 2. It says decompose the teen number to match your drawing. Well, this right here is our teen number, and we also could do it in a number bond. So it needs to match our drawing. In what two parts do we break it apart into or decompose it into? Look at your drawing. How many in the box? 10. Yes, 10. How many outside the box? Get ready. Yes, 2. So you could decompose it into 10 and 2. Now it says to identify the part being taken away. Well, let's continue reading the problem. It says he uses 9 of them to make breakfast for his family. So how many did he use? Get ready. Yes, 9. So that means we're going to take away 9 eggs. Remember, you should be writing what I'm writing. Because he made breakfast for his family. So he was taking 9 eggs away. And key point number 4 says to cross out from your 10 ones. So let's go ahead and cross out from our 10 ones, which are the ones in the box. Because if you look at it, can we take away 9 from 2? Get ready. No, right? We cannot. We don't have enough. So let's go ahead and make a line across 9 from our 10 ones. Make sure that you only cross off 9. And finally, we just add our leftover parts to find our solution. So let's look at our leftover parts. Look at the box. How many left inside the box? Get ready. Yes, 1. How many left outside the box? Get ready. Yes, 2. So 1 plus 2 equals, get ready. Yes, 3. And if you are confused about what 1 plus 2 is, make sure you count the circles that you have left. You have 1, 2, 3. So 12 minus 9 equals, get ready. Yes, 3. Awesome job. Make sure you box your answer so we know what your answer is. Now go ahead and erase your whiteboard at this moment, or if you're working on a piece of paper, go ahead and find the next blank space. Let's practice another one. Remember that if you need more time, you can press pause and press play when you're ready. Awesome. So right now, your marker or your pencil's parked and you're listening with your ears. There were 11 deer in a field. How many deer? Get ready. Yes, 11. 9 of them got spooked and ran into the woods. So 9 of them got spooked and ran into the woods. How many ran away? Get ready. Yes, 9. So I'm going to circle 9 and put a number 9 here so you know that's a 9. Now, our question asks, how many deer were left in the field? Well, let's use our key points to find out. First, it says we have to draw the whole number the 5 group way and circle 10. So what's our whole number in the story? Look at our story. How many deer were there at the beginning? Get ready. Yes, 11 deer at the beginning. So let's go ahead and draw. I draw, you draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we also remember that there's 11, so we have to draw one more. And I'll fill this one in just like this. And remember, we have to circle 10. So let's go ahead and put a box around 10 of them. Only 10. Step 2 says to decompose the team number to match our drawing. So let's go ahead and write how many deer we started with. This is 11 because we started with 11 deer. Now we have to break it apart to match the drawing. So how many in the box? Get ready. Yes, 10. How many outside the box? Get ready. Yes, 1. So we decomposed 11 into 10 and 1. Now, it says we have to identify the part being taken away. Well, let's continue reading. It says 9 of them got spooked and ran into the woods. So how many are we taking away? Get ready. Yes, 9. So we're going to put minus, which is a subtraction symbol. 9 equals, and then our next key point says to cross out from your 10 ones. So can we cross out from our 1 from this part right here? No, right? We cannot. Your head should be shaking no, because we do not have enough. So we have to cross out from our 10 ones. So let everybody cross out 9. Make sure that you only cross out 9. Now, finally, we just add our leftover parts to find our solution. Well, let's add. How many circles inside the box? Get ready. Yes, 1. How many circles outside the box? Get ready. Yes, 1. And 1 plus 1 equals, get ready. Yes, 2. So 11 minus 9 equals, get ready. Yes, 2. Great job, boys and girls. Make sure to box your answer. Now, go ahead and erase your whiteboard again. If you're working on a piece of paper, find the next blank space, and you can press pause and press play when you're ready. So before we continue, your markers and your pencils should be parked, your ears are listening. This is very important. Listen, most of the problems we have done are examples of 10 being a friendly number. When we take a number away from 10, we call it the take from 10 strategy. And I want everybody to remember this, because this is a new strategy we're going to be learning from now on. So remember that when we take a number away from 10, we call it take from 10 strategy. Everybody, let's read this together. Get ready. Take from 10 strategy. Few more before we go to our problem set. Everybody write 15 minus 9 on your whiteboard or on your blank piece of paper. First step. Make sure you draw your whole number. What is our whole number, boys and girls, in 15 minus 9? Get ready. Yes, 15. Let's go ahead and draw it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Next, remember that if you need more time, go ahead and press pause on the video. Next, we have to decompose the team. Oh, we forgot to circle 10. Tell me, Ms. Gomez, you forgot part of your key point. So we have to circle 10 after we draw the whole number. Everyone put a box around 10 of the circles. Your drawing should look like mine. Now, we have to decompose the team number to match our drawing. So that means we have to break it apart. You do your little number bond on the bottom of 15. And it has to match our picture. So how many circles in the box? Get ready. Yes, 10. How many outside the box? Get ready. Yes, 5. So we broke apart 15 into 10 and 5. Now, we have to identify the part being taken away. So how many are we subtracting? Get ready. Yes, we're subtracting 9. If you can see the minus symbol here, minus 9. And next key point says we have to cross out from our 10 ones. So we have to cross out 9 from our 10 ones, which are the ones in the box. So everyone make a line through 9 circles only. And then we just add our leftover parts to find our solution. So look inside the box. How many are left? Get ready. Yes, 1. How many outside? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. And 1 plus 5 equals, get ready. Yes, 6. So 15 minus 9 equals, get ready. Yes, 6. Don't forget to box your answer. Awesome job, boys and girls. Now, Let's go ahead and practice one more. Make sure you erase your whiteboard at this moment or find the next blank space on your sheet of paper. Ready? Everybody write 18 minus 9. Thumbs up when you're ready. First key point. Go ahead and draw the whole number the 5 group way and circle 10. So first, before you draw, what is our whole number, boys and girls, in 18 minus 9? Get ready. Yes, 18. So everyone draw 18 and circle 10. Press play when you're ready. At this moment, you should have drawn 18 the 5 group way. Now, you're just going to make sure that you're checking your work that it looks like mine. So I drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me close this one. 9, 10. 1, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Whew, that was a lot of circles. Now, we have to also circle 10 of them. So make sure you box 10. And if you almost forgot last time, like Miss Gomez, make sure you do it right now. Now, you have to decompose the team number to match your drawing. So everybody go ahead and decompose your team number. Draw the little number bond under your whole number so that it can, and write in your parts. Press play to check your work. So you should have decomposed the number to match your drawing. So how many circles do you have inside the box? 10. How many outside the box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you should have decomposed 18 into 10 and 8. Now, identify the part being taken away. Look at your expression, 18 minus 9. How many are we taking away, everyone? Get ready. Yes, 9. Now, cross out from your 10 once. Go ahead and cross out. Thumbs up when you're ready. Yes, so you should have crossed out from your 9 from your 10 once. So just like this. Finally, add your leftover parts to find your solution. Go ahead and press pause and press play to check your work. So how many left inside the box? 1. How many left outside the box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And 1 plus 8 equals, get ready. Yes, 9. So 18 minus 9 equals 9. Very good, boys and girls. Awesome job. Now, you did it. You practiced. Go ahead and take out your problem set. Open it up to lesson 14. At this moment, you can press pause so that you can write your name, date, and your goal. Press play when you're ready. So, at this moment, you should already have written your name, date, and goal on lesson 14 problem set. So, we are going to not do the first one. We're going to just circle our must-do problems. Ready? So, you're circling number 2, number 3, number 4, 8, 10, and 11. Ready? One more time. You're circling number 2, number 3, number 4, 8, 10, and 11. Now let's go back to number 2, and we're going to work it out together really quick. Our instruction says circle 10 and subtract. So everybody look at number 2. You have 12 minus 9 equals blank. And they drew the pictures the 5 group way. They drew 12 pencils. It says to circle 10. Let's follow our key points. So they already drew. Now we have to also circle 10. So everybody put a box around 10 pencils. Next, we have to break apart we have to decompose the team number to match our drawing. Since you don't have space there, you could write it down here so that you can show your work. It's very important to show your work. So decompose it. We have to decompose it to match our picture. So how many pencils inside the box? 10. How many outside? Get ready. Yes, 2. And then it says to identify the part being taken away. So how many are we subtracting? Get ready. Yes, 9. And then we have to cross out from our 10 ones. So everybody cross out 9. Finally, we just add our leftover parts. How many pencils inside the box? 1. How many pencils outside the box? Get ready. Yes, 2. And 1 plus 2 is? Get ready. 3. So make sure you write your answer. 12 minus 9 equals 3. And you put a box around it. Awesome job, boys and girls. You will work out the rest of the problems during the live sessions. See you then.